Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick pointer. Anaya is awake and she's playing. So any noise in the background, that is her. I also just want to let you guys know this quick tutorial is going to be on a perm on set. It's actually my first time doing a perm on set on myself. I have done one way back when I used to be like relaxed, when my hair was relaxed, but I haven't done one on myself ever since. It's been a really, really long time. And so I blow dried my hair. I wanted to do it on blow dried hair. It's not like good blow dried. It's not like perfect. It's just enough blow dried, whatever. So I'm actually going to be using mousse. It's my first time trying this out, so I'm just like, okay, I have this product. I'm like, let me just try it out. Let me show you guys real quick. And all the products that I am using will be listed down below in the description box. So if I do miss anything, anything that you guys need to know, I'll list everything down in the description box for sure. I'm also going to be using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. So, and then I'm going to be using, these are the only perm rod sets I have. I wasn't going to go out to buy some because I'm just like, who knows if I even want to like this, or if I'm even going to do, or if I'm even going to do a perm rod set again. So I do have these purple ones, and then I have these white ones. But I feel like they're different in size, but I feel like if you put them in your head and like, you know, mix them all around, because I don't know if I have enough of these purple ones to only do purple in my head. I have a really big head, and on top of that, my hair is really thick, so I might do smaller sections just so that the drying process doesn't take extremely long, because I do want to take this out by tomorrow and finish recording. So I don't feel like these are much of a difference. But I'm going to put them both in my head, see how this works out. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, then oh well. I'll just wear it for like 2-3 days and put it up in a ponytail or do some different kind of style to it. But either way, let's stop rambling. Let's get into this video. So hey guys, I am sectioning off my hair, parting off the front because I want the front part to like drop in my face kind of. I'm trying to go for a different style rather than doing like the usual side part or like middle part look. I'm going to go ahead and put those away, and then I'm going to start sectioning off the back part of my hair. And then we're going to start at the back first, and then you'll see as I go. Sometimes I feel like my parts should be really straight, but your parts do not need to be straight. I just have a thing with straight parts. So if you're doing this on yourself, your parts don't have to be straight. Don't worry about it because your hair is going to be curly anyways, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to section off my first section to go ahead and apply my products. First, I'm going to detangle. Go ahead with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil smoothie. Then I'm going to put on the mousse, the defining curl, and the smooth it all in together. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my perm rod. And as you can tell, it actually is my first time doing a perm rod set because I don't even know how to section or put this onto your hair. Like, I'm just learning as I'm doing the video, to be honest, because I don't know what I'm doing. Now, as I'm doing my next section, I'm going to put that into 2 and then go ahead and put the perm rod set on. But before I do that, just making sure you put your products on good. You detangle your section before putting the perm rod on. And you want to make sure that the perm rod is like tight enough so that it secures throughout, like even if you keep it on to sleep. You just want to make sure that the perm on secured onto your head and tight enough for you. I kind of wish that I didn't use like this smooth, because at the end you will see that like I didn't really like it and I'm kind of disappointed, but that's okay. You learn through trial and error. So now I did the majority of it off camera. So now I am back showing you guys how I learned as I was going, to be honest. I learned that the best way for me to put the perm on my hair was like to twist my hair a little bit and then roll and twist and roll and twist until I got to the top of my head, or I got to the root, I should say, with the perm rod. And that's what I found that worked best for me, doing it as for my first time. But do what's best for you when you're doing the perm rod set. I feel like I put a bit too much product up here at the top, but that's okay. My hair dried, so I'm fine. So now it's time for the takedown. Let's see this result. I actually liked how the hair came out, but at the same time, the mousse, as I was telling you guys before, it didn't really go good. Like it had like some residue on it. Like it was starting to. It looked flaky, to be honest. I didn't like it, as you can see in the front of my hair, and to make the hair feel like it was wet when it really wasn't wet, and I kind of gave it like a hard feeling. So for next time, I would not be using a mousse. I'm just gonna go ahead with my avocado coconut oil, and I'm just gonna air dry that a little bit, not on high heat but like low heat. And then now I'm taking it down, but I'm taking my time. The video sped up so it seems like I'm rushing, but I'm actually taking my time, making sure that the curls come out good. But we'll see how this goes. As you can tell by the look on my face, I'm not really feeling the look, to be honest. But the curls came out nice though, I'm not gonna lie. My hair was dried, I didn't have to really worry. As you can see on my shirt, all the flakes from the mousse is on my shirt because I've used the smoothie before and it has never given me this problem, so I definitely know it's the mousse. So I would not be using the mousse again. This hairstyle is actually really not for me. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe if I did like another style with it, we'll try that in another video. And now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and shake it, fluff it, pick it out to see if I can try to rock this look. You know, just to give it some more volume. And I'm going to try to take out some more of like the curls just to give it more fluffy look. I don't mind frizz, so I'm okay with that. So because I personally wasn't liking the look, I'm going to go ahead and style it into one of my favorite styles for curly hair. And I'm just using edge control at this point. And I'm going to use some bobby pins, and that is about it. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and touch up my edges and fix the hairstyle a little bit. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will definitely be back with more videos.